So now we have example 10.2. Example 10.2. A piece of red string is 35.2 centimeter long to the nearest millimeter. So the next, a piece of a blue string is 12.6 centimeter long to the nearest millimeter. What is the minimum length? What is minimum length of the two keys lead end to end? So now question says a piece of red string is 35.2 centimeter long to the nearest millimeter. So now here the nearest millimeter is the accuracy, and 35.2 centimeter is our red string, and a piece of a blue string is 12.6 centimeter long to the nearest millimeter. So now the blue string is 12.6 centimeter long to the nearest millimeter. So we have accuracy is the 1 millimeter. Now we have to find the minimum length of the two pieces lead end to end. So when it says end to end, it is like a saying find the lower sums of both. Lower sum of both. When it says piece lead end to end, so both end. So first our string is the blue string, because always we will write the small length first, then the large length. No, so because it is carrying from 0, so it's like this going from, we are measuring this time. No? So 12.6 centimeter, and the next one is 35.2 centimeter. 35.2 centimeter. So now we have accuracy is nearest millimeter. So let me first convert this 12.6 to the millimeter first. Let me correct it. Not correction, but let's change the unit. 126 millimeter. Now it become it becomes millimeter. So this become a 352 millimeter. Now this will align with our accuracy term. No? So here the accuracy is 1 millimeter. So 1 millimeter. So now the error term is 1 divided by 2 you will get 0.5 millimeter. So 352 plus 0.5. So you will get 352.0 352.5, and this is our upper bound. So now we does not run the upper bound here, no, but I'm writing here to conclude it, no. So this skip this, no, information. So now this is our 351.5, because 352 minus 0.5 you will get 351.5 millimeter. Now 126, add 126 plus 0.5, so you will get 0.5, it's 126.5 millimeter. Now the next one is like 125.5 millimeter. So the minimum length of a boat, minimum length of two pieces into it. So this is this and this, talking about this. So lower sum of a boat. So this is the lower sum, lower lower bound of a sum of a lower bound of a boat. So lower bound of a smaller, lower bound of a larger. So you will get 125.5 plus 351.5. So while doing this, 351.5, 125.5, you will get 5 plus 5, you will get 0. 1 will go up, 1 plus 1 you will get 2, 2 plus 5 you will get 7, 5 plus 2 you will get 7, and 3 plus 1 you will get 4. So lower sum of a boat, or a minimum length of a boat. So the minimum length of a boat is become how much? 477 millimeter. So this is converted into a millimeter, but we want it to convert into a the minimum sum of boats is 477.0, or just like this, no, millimeter. Now while converting into a centimeter, 477 millimeter divided by 10, you will get how much? 47.7 centimeter. So now next part is, what is the lower bound of differences in the length. The part B of example, what it says, what is the lower bound of the difference in the lengths. So lower bound of differences is, what we will do is lower bound of a larger string minus the upper bound of a smaller, or if you want to say, it's like a lower bound of a difference. So here's the difference. So lower bound of a larger. This our A is a larger, and the upper bound of a the B, which is the smaller. So here are the two strings now. Here is the sorry, I may write like a, this is the larger string and this is the small. Now the lower bound of A, the larger string, is lower bound is 350. Lower bound, no, I'm saying the lower bound of a larger string is 351.5. 351.5 minus upper bound of the smaller. Upper bound is 126.5. So here you can note easily this is the lower bound of a difference. Now this length is a smaller than this length, because we are finding this length, no? 126.5. So while finding this, now you can find it by calculator. Let me do it for you. 351.5 subtract 126.5. So you will get 225 millimeter. So while convert this into a meters, you will get divided 225 with 10, and you will get 22.5 centimeter. So this is in a centimeter.